Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel Zen Health. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to talk about. A tropical fruit that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also offers a plethora of health benefits. That's right, we're diving into the wonderful world of papaya. If you've ever wondered about the secrets hidden within this vibrant orange fruit, you're in the right place. From boosting your immune system to improving digestion, papayas are a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your overall well-being. So grab a seat, sit back, and get ready to be amazed as we explore the numerous advantages of incorporating papaya into your diet. Papaya, scientifically known as Cariga papaya, is believed to have originated in the tropical regions of southern Mexico and Central America. It is one of the oldest and most cultivated fruits in the Americas. The papaya plant was later introduced to other parts of the world through explorations and trade routes. Today, papayas are grown in many tropical and subtropical regions around the world, including countries in Southeast Asia, the Caribbean, Africa, India, and parts of South America. The fruit's adaptability to warm climates has made it a popular crop in various countries, and it is enjoyed for its sweet and nutritious flesh. Speaking of nutritious food, eating papaya can have some pretty amazing health benefits. One of the main reasons that papayas are so healthy for us is the enzyme papain. This enzyme is proteolytic, meaning it helps to break down proteins into smaller fragments called peptides and amino acid. This enzyme also has an array of health benefits. Papain is a remarkable natural aid for digestion. It plays a pivotal role in breaking down proteins in the digestive system, facilitating their digestion and absorption. This enzymatic action helps ease the burden on the digestive tract, making it particularly beneficial for individuals prone to digestive discomforts such as indigestion and bloating. By promoting efficient protein breakdown, papain assists the body in extracting essential nutrients from the food we consume, ultimately contributing to better digestive health and overall well-being. Whether consumed through fresh papaya or in supplement form, papain can be a valuable ally in promoting smoother and more comfortable digestion. Papain also exhibits notable anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial for overall health. This natural enzyme has the ability to reduce inflammation within the body, which can be particularly valuable for individuals dealing with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. By curbing the body's inflammatory responses, papain may help alleviate pain, swelling, and discomfort associated with such conditions. Its anti-inflammatory effects are attributed to its ability to modulate cytokines and other mediators involved in the inflammatory process. Incorporating papain-rich foods or supplements into one's diet can potentially provide relief and promote a healthier, more balanced inflammatory response, contributing to improved well-being. Papain also offers remarkable wound healing benefits. Its ability to break down dead tissue and promote cell growth makes it a valuable asset in the realm of wound care. By aiding in the removal of necrotic tissue and supporting the generation of new healthy cells, papain can expedite the natural wound healing process. This enzymatic action not only accelerates wound closure but also minimizes the risk of infection and scarring, resulting in faster recovery and better overall wound outcomes. Whether applied topically in specialized wound care products or integrated into the diet, papain's wound healing properties have the potential to play a significant role in the maintenance of skin health and the recovery from injuries or surgical procedures. Papain also has a host of benefits for skin health and has found its way into various skincare products. Its natural exfoliating properties make it a sought-after ingredient in cosmetics, particularly in exfoliants and face masks. Papain gently removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and promotes a smoother, more radiant complexion. This exfoliating action not only helps to improve skin texture but can also mitigate issues like acne and blemishes by keeping pores clear. Moreover, papain's skin brightening effects result from its ability to fade dark spots and promote an even skin tone. When incorporated into skincare routines, papain can contribute to healthier, more vibrant skin, making it a popular choice in the world of natural skincare. Papain can play a significant role in pain relief, particularly for individuals dealing with conditions like osteoarthritis. Some topical ointments and creams containing papain are formulated to alleviate pain and reduce inflammation. Papain's anti-inflammatory properties are instrumental in relieving discomfort associated with joint pain and inflammation. By modulating inflammatory responses and promoting tissue healing, papain can help ease pain and improve the overall quality of life for those suffering from painful conditions. Its natural and non-invasive approach to pain management positions papain as a promising avenue for individuals seeking relief from musculoskeletal discomfort, without the side effects often associated with traditional pain medications. Papain exhibits noteworthy anti-parasitic properties, particularly in combating intestinal parasites like Giardia and Entamoeba histolytica. Research has shown that papain possesses the ability to effectively inhibit the growth and survival of these parasitic organisms. This anti-parasitic action is attributed to papain's role in disrupting the protective outer layers of parasites and interfering with their ability to adhere to the intestinal lining. As a result, papain has shown promise as a natural treatment or preventive measure against intestinal parasitic infections, making it a valuable contribution to the field of parasitology and potentially offering a more accessible and safer approach to combat these health-threatening parasites. Papain has shown some promise in terms of its anti-cancer potential, although further research is needed to fully comprehend its scope and effectiveness in cancer treatment. Studies suggest that papain may possess anti-cancer properties due to its ability to induce apoptosis or programmed cell death in cancer cells. This apoptosis-inducing characteristic can help target and eliminate cancerous cells, potentially hindering their growth and spread. While these findings are intriguing, it's important to note that papain's anti-cancer effects have mainly been observed in laboratory and animal studies, and clinical trials are necessary to confirm its efficacy and safety in human cancer treatment. Nevertheless, the exploration of papain's anti-cancer potential underscores the ongoing quest to discover innovative and nature-derived approaches to combat this complex and challenging disease. Papain's potential to reduce allergenic proteins in certain foods presents an exciting avenue for individuals with food allergies. Research has investigated the use of papain as an enzymatic agent to break down allergenic proteins in foods such as cow's milk, which can trigger severe allergic reactions in some individuals. By targeting and modifying these allergenic proteins, papain has the potential to render them less reactive to the immune system, thus reducing the risk of allergic responses. While this approach holds promise, further research and clinical studies are necessary to fully understand the extent of papain's effectiveness in allergen reduction and to ensure its safety for those with food allergies. If successful, this application of papain could represent a significant breakthrough in improving the safety and tolerance of allergenic foods, allowing individuals with allergies to enjoy a wider range of dietary options without fear of adverse reactions. The health benefits of eating papaya is not just limited to the meat of the fruit either. There are many benefits to consuming the seeds of papaya as well. These seeds are very high in fiber, so it is recommended to only consume the seeds in moderation. Papaya seeds possess notable antioxidant properties thanks to their rich content of antioxidants, primarily vitamin C and various polyphenolic compounds. These antioxidants play a pivotal role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage cells. By scavenging free radicals, papaya seeds help protect cells and tissues from oxidative damage, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases and age-related conditions. The antioxidant content in papaya seeds supports overall health by promoting a strong immune system, improving cardiovascular health, and contributing to a healthier complexion as they combat premature aging and maintain skin vitality. Incorporating papaya seeds into your diet can be an effective way to harness the antioxidant power of this tropical fruit's often overlooked component. Papaya seeds are abundant in monounsaturated fatty acids, such as oleic acid. These fatty acids play a role in cholesterol management by lowering levels of LDL cholesterol, commonly known as bad cholesterol. Furthermore, papaya seeds are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in the reduction of cholesterol levels within the body. Therefore, the inclusion of papaya seeds in one's diet supports the maintenance of healthy cholesterol levels in our system. Studies indicate that the preparation and ingestion of a papaya seed extract have the potential to effectively eradicate bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, Staphylococcus, and other common culprits responsible for the majority of foodborne illnesses. Papaya seeds may also be beneficial in treating certain fungal infections as well. Specifically, when used on the scalp, papaya seeds can help to treat dandruff caused by a fungal infection. It is easy to see what an amazing fruit papaya truly is. It has a vast array of health benefits, as we have discussed. This fruit can help with digestion, reduce inflammation, heal wounds, treat infections, possibly protect the body from cancer, and even reduce food allergies. So what are you waiting for? Start incorporating papaya into your daily diet today. And don't forget to occasionally eat the seeds too. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fantastic content. Thank you for watching our video today, and we look forward to seeing you at the next one. Goodbye for now from Zen Health.